Good morning, student. So today we are going to discuss about the reaction of metal with acid. See here. So general reaction of metal and acid. When metal which are reacted with acid to form a salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas which is what forms gas. This is the general reaction. So any acid, when this metal which are reacted with acid to form a salt and hydrogen gas which is what forms reaction. The basic or general reaction. Metal, for example, take one example, sodium is a metal. Why it is called a metal? Because the atomic number of sodium is 11, electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8, 1. So sodium having only one unpaired electron in their outermost cell. So it donate one electron, it carries one positive charge. That is there. This sodium metal which has reacted with the acid, for example, hydrochloric acid. Now balance this reaction. See here, sodium which are reacted with hydrochloric acid to form a salt. The reaction which is takes place in between the sodium cation and anion, Na plus Cl minus, to form a salt NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, 2 sodium chloride and plus the hydrogen gas which is evolved from this reaction H2 Cl, the hydrogen gas. See here, metal, sodium, acid, hydrochloric acid, salt, sodium chloride, H2 hydrogen gas. Next example, for example, magnesium. Magnesium also which is reacted with the hydrochloric acid. What will happen? To form a salt and hydrogen gas. This salt is from MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Why here MgCl2? Cl2? Because the valency of magnesium is 2. So this 2 chlorine atom which is attached to the magnesium. Sodium having only one valency is there. So one chlorine atom which is joined with the sodium. Cation, anion. Ionic compound. Sodium chloride is ionic compound. Why it is called as ionic compound? Because sodium Na plus Cl minus. Sodium cation Cl minus anion. This is the ionic compound and the bond formed between the sodium and chloride is ionic bond. Same thing will happen in this case also. Magnesium is cation. Mg2 plus is there. Because magnesium donate 2 electron. Magnesium having 2 unpaired electron in their outermost state. Chlorine, atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 2, 8, 7. So chlorine having one more electron to complete its octet. So it accepts one electron from the another to form a compound. Which compound is there? Ionic compound. Magnesium chloride also ionic compound. Okay. MgCl2. See here, Mg. Magnesium having 2 valency. Cl. 2 chlorine atom which is attached to this chloride. Magnesium chloride which is the salt and byproduct hydrogen gas is evolved from this reaction H2 Cl. Metal, magnesium, acid, hydrochloric acid, salt MgCl2 or hydrogen gas. Now third reaction, for example, aluminium. Aluminium which is reacted with the hydrochloric acid. Which salt is formed? Aluminium reacted with hydrochloric acid to form a aluminium chloride AlCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Balance this reaction. Salt is here. Why chlorine is taken 3 here? Because the valency of aluminum is 3. Atomic number of aluminum is 13. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 3. So aluminum having 3 unpaired electrons. So it donates 3 electrons. So it carries 3 positive charges there. Valency of aluminum is 3. To form an ionic compound. Aluminum chloride. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride. Now next example, for example, iron. Fe which are reacted with the hydrochloric acid to form a salt FeCl2 plus byproduct is a hydrogen gas. Now next, that is the zinc. Zinc also reacted with the hydrochloric acid to form a zinc chloride and byproduct is a hydrogen gas which is evolved from this reaction. See here, the general reaction when metal which are reacted with acid to form a salt and byproduct is a hydrogen gas. metal sodium which are react with hydrochloric acid to form a sodium chloride. Na plus minus. Opposite force of attraction is there. Positive and anion they are attract to each other. It is an ionic compound having high melting and boiling point is there. Why? Because there is a strong force of attraction between opposite charges, cation and anion. Byproduct hydrogen gas. Second, magnesium. Magnesium is also a type of metal which are reacted with the hydrochloric acid to form a magnesium chloride. It is one type of salt. It is ionic compound also. There is a strong force of attraction between these opposite charges, cation and anion. There is a ionic bond is there, and byproduct hydrogen gas. Now, third is the aluminium. Aluminium reacted with the hydrochloric acid to form a aluminium chloride. It is an ionic compound also. Strong force of attraction having high melting boiling point is there, and byproduct hydrogen gas. Iron Fe reacted with hydrochloric acid to form ApCl2, byproduct H2. And last example, fifth, that is the zinc. Zinc is also metal which are reacted with hydrochloric acid to form a zinc chloride, and hydrogen gas is formed. The general reaction of metal with the acid. Thank you.